Sebei Scarlett is now receiving a medal. Clap for her. The general is awarding now. Thank you very much, Scarlett. For a silver medal. Thank you very much, Lisa. Number three.
Number 3, Sebei Sarah.
Sebei Sarah. Thank you very much, Sebei Sarah. Clap for her.
The three winners. Come and take a photo with them.
Please, the three winners, join the general for a group photo. There's a fantastic photo moment now.
10 kilometers, men.
So Kipsiro mentored Jebrace Ali. He's now a great man. He's receiving on behalf. Thank you very much, Kipsiro.
Mr.
Please
Chiplongat
have a
Dennis.
photo.
Chiplongat Dennis. Number 2.
Observers, move backwards a bit, just for a good
Where's
group.
Kira James?
Give a clap of applause. Honorable Dean, we recognize all your efforts for this beautiful function.
21 kilometers.
Yes. Clap for that. Thank you very much for a very fantastic trophy.
Chebet Emily.
Photo moment. Now receiving. Please give us some clap.
Chesang Annette.
Yeah. I'm very happy. 21 kilometers, man.
Chemonges Leonard.
Chemonges Leonard. Clap for him. Chemonges Leonard.
Semiko Win Ben.
Semiko Ben.
Please, number 2. Please.
Thank you very much, Jerry.
Ministers present, members of parliament present, other invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Chemtai Daisy. A poem entitled So was Uganda, where it was history to hear about peace in the country. Men, women, children, and name it, were displaced from their homes due to insecurity and poor governance. Our hearts were full of fear whenever we could hear a doorbell, thinking they have come insurgents. Social services were abominable. Roads, schools, hospitals, communication, bus and churches were really difficult to meet. So, people lived a difficult life, a life of misery. Rural areas like Kapchara and it were in total darkness. So was Uganda. People with disabilities and cultural education have been a wastage of resources. The marginalized could not inherit any property, calling it taboo. Girl child was an item in the family meant for future wealth, timely to sell her off in form of dowry. Ladies in their lives have never been given a chance to choose. So it's you. Education and sports sector. Uganda is shining, where public and private schools are everywhere. Sports activities Uganda dominates through empowering sportsmen like Cheptegei and others. Construction of sports facilities like the High Altitude Stadium to boost sports in the country. Technology transformation. Uganda is shining, where Uganda has acquired a center for satellite to space in the history. Health sector. Uganda is shining, where health is our #1 priority. Who are able to guard and manage the spread of COVID-19 and Ebola pandemic, which severely hit other powerful countries. Economic transformation. Uganda is shining through M-Yoga. Development of infrastructures like roads, markets and industries have accelerated of worship and praise. Uganda is shining. Peace and security. Uganda is shining. So is Uganda, our country ready to defend our citizens. Our country with a gallant army, led by General MK. The UPDF who are skillful in fighting both on land and in air, providing peace to our country and other regional countries like Somalia. It's Uganda. The President of the Republic of Uganda, the Commander-in-Chief of all armed forces, what a prosperous country through his good governance. You are the moon and the sun, the promise of a new dawn, freedom and harmony, a birth of a new memory, negativity and value. The Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, among others. Those who are full of these qualities are virtues, are peaceful indeed with those who surround them. They give them wonderful memories to cherish and love. The one who passes on peace to others are great people of virtue and should be remembered in our great books of knowledge and history. And so, pure leadership is peace in disguise. All anger has been released. We feel everything has changed and only peace reigns. M from Wozi, General MK, Uganda needs your support. Sebei sub-region, our journey has started. Nothing can stop what we can do together. Hakuna mchezo. We are from Shalom Nursery and Primary School Kapchora. To fear God is to be wise. For God and my country. Bye-bye for now.
Okay, stage use very fast. Stage use very fast.
Today, we thank you for coming here. We appreciate your coming. Now, one of your core coming here, one of your core reasons is to come and support musicians. You have supported Bebe Cool, Chameleon, even Bob Wine in Kampala. And therefore, we also ask you, dear General, that as we sing, kindly support us. We also want to be in the status of Chameleon, Bebe Cool, driving and not walking like any other person.
Yes.
Therefore, General, we are here to present one song to you, which we personally collected our money because of the love we have for the standby generator. We recorded this song at 400,000. Poor as we may be, we are very happy. We therefore ask, Sabin Jagatukul, Angatala Jamakwe to Liga Sabin Jarom.
Chimatai! Chimatai, sir!
Asante sana. Ye chamadu ni gagala ure utale karomen.
These are the Sebei artists. Asante kwa fadhili.
General. But Bobu Wine, Bebe Kulu, they drive some of the Muslims. General, do something. Do something, General. We thank you. Do something. Asante Fede.
Selecta, kuluta ninga hale kale. nina mani noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani nina mani noza kukakasa ngo nina mani